Here at Oneida Air Systems, we avoid using mechanical paddles as filter cleaners. And for good reason. Some traditional collectors utilize a mechanical paddle system to beat dust off the filter. Mechanical paddles that touch and impact the HEPA filter media destroy filter efficiency while not removing the finest dust, which clogs the filter. HEPA filter media is especially fragile. Never clean with an object such as a brush, scraper, or anything else that can scrape the surface coating and delicate fibers. For this reason, we recommend touchless filter cleaning as the only way to clean your filter. In general, filters should be cleaned using compressed air up to 90 psi or a leaf blower blown from the outside of the filter up and down the exterior of the filter cartridges. Point the air nozzle or leaf blower into the filter's pleating and keep the nozzle or leaf blower at least 2 inches away from the filter to prevent damage to the filter media. Work your way around the entire circumference of the filter. Dispose of the collected dust by emptying the dust bin at the bottom of the filter. The frequency on when you need to clean the filter on your dust collector is dependent on how often you use it and its application. We recommend that you clean the filter every time that you fill up your dust collector's dust bin. This will keep your dust collector operating at peak performance. At the minimum, you should thoroughly clean the filter whenever you notice your dust collector's airflow has decreased. This only takes a few minutes and will improve air quality, keep ducting clear, optimize airflow, and extend the filter's lifespan.